nó xong đó để lo máy có chọn nhỏ nhỏ lợi dụng ba là chị còn lắm ba trắng cùng gàn nó lớn đi trắng cùng gàn đi nó kia lớn đi cho glue là nó nhỏ lớn đi bó lớn đi chọn glue là nó nhớ là ít lúc ba lo chị lớn đi thắt trả đi bé bó này nhỏ bé bó một đốc bó lên đó chị lớn đi ở thì lớn đi chọn khủng lên là nó lớn đi luôn đóng lẩu nó nhỏ chị ý ó bé nhỏ chị lo mú chị lớn đi dần đấy nghe đi nó cái xí là chỉ mua chợ tức là chỉ mua chợ cho xong câu đi cũng mua là nó là chị lợi xí chợ xong nó là tao nó nhỏ chợ xong lên là nó là tao nó cho em tự nhiên nó chỉ có lấy mất quả da nhỏ cho tự nhiên nó chỉ lấy mất quả da em có dẻo da trên da nó đá nó chỉ mà xí rồi hỏi giờ chị có mua cho nó gì có xí cho nó là tao nó cho nó này nhỏ xí cho nó là tao chị cũng tức tay tới cho là nó còn nó chị cũng có ô tô rồi cũng túi tú nữa nhỏ chị cũng tức tay cho tao ít cho là nó cho nó chỉ có giờ tao la sủa ta la móng nó mua nó nhỏ ta la sủa ta la móng nó mua cái gì của chị có tiền là nên có mua hay nhỏ còn đâu chị cũng ít bóp packet nó ít bóp packet nó nhấp $1 nó nhỏ bóp packet nó nhấp $1 trên bó nó rồi nếu mua bó medium size bó nó nhá bó mấy bó nó bó lo nữa bó nó bó lo hoặc bó mấy bó ý medium size mấy bó small trên được lú xin cầu lên là nó trong đã nó xứ hoặc bó lo straight của chị bó lo nó chị cũng là kia với thì tay lúc nó nó mong của nó nhói khó lấy sốt mê tay đấy xí mà của tay chị chơi trong chị của nó thay video như nó mê đâu có bỏ nó nhở ok chị giờ kia lấy xí này nó giờ cái này lấy xí này nó để nó cho nên mất for half đi nó for half đi nó có even nữa for half even đi nó chỉ có suggest as a cup to here okay cup to đi nó like this chỉ có to pitch đi nó okay then you're gonna fold this có sắp fold đi nó có fold đi nó nữa có fold đi nó okay có fold đi nó nữa nhưng có xì cho nó chỉ có fold đi nó okay chị make sure you measure for 2 finger only 2 finger like here okay okay chỉ có fold đi nó and then you fold like this okay. Cũng mà mất trúng nó phải xây nữa bỏ trắng cho là okay you fold like this and you fold this side too so you have to flip it like this you flip it the other side and you fold this one to khó lại tao nó nhỉ fold it nó okay and the part này có cup có dễ số nó nè khó part có cup nó nè you put this part towards to this side okay if you use this kind of paper then you go like this then you flip it and you do this at the other side the same thing too you know now okay and you're gonna hold it like this and then you're gonna go open it this is on the front and then you can flip it like this okay thì trong đây nó nè thì trong đây nó chỉ có mà đi thì trong đây nó nhỏ thì trong đây nó chỉ you like this then you fold it like this okay you fold towards to you or you can fold this side towards to over there okay it doesn't matter it's fold the same time you put the back to be close it okay you close the back like this okay you go you fold the little edge right here back toward to you okay you fold like this, the little edge right here, so you cover the back. Okay. So a little tiny, okay. So when you open on the front like this, when you open in the front, this is the front. It's gonna be like this. Okay. It's gonna be like this. Going on up, going on, and then you hold it in the middle right here. You hold it tight, and you flip it over, and you're gonna see the way you fold this side, fold the little piece, okay, like this, and then you tape it right here. Now, where's my tape go? Okay, you use the tape. Okay. You use the tape to tape it, so it won't open in the back. Okay, cái chị khí là cá nè, when you look back, cái chị open nè, and then you tape it and down here too. Just like this. Okay. If you don't have this kind of paper, then you can use this kind of one. Okay. Then when you make a second one, you can cover it up like that, just like the flower that I made. Okay, I'm gonna show one more time this one. Okay, I'm gonna show one more time for this one. But before I show, I need to take out some tape out first. Okay, I'm gonna show one more time to make the one like this. Okay, you only fold one half. You don't fold this side. Okay, don't fold this side. You only fold this side. Okay, and then now you're gonna fold. I'm gonna show you the second time. Okay, you fold like this half. Okay, you fold like this. And then go more for now. Fold like this. And make sure you measure for your two finger, only two finger like this. Okay. Có còn đừng cho ó tôi đi tê đi nó nữa. Two finger like this. And then you fold this piece. You fold this one right here to connect over here. Okay. Fold like this. And you blend down like this. You fold like this, and then you turn the other side like this, and you fold this side to over here. You fold like this, and now you see the cut right here. You cut right on the middle, so you use this one to connect over here to this line. So you fold it like this, and you do the same thing to the other side too. You do the same thing, you fold this one to over here in this line. Okay, and then you press it down like this. Then you turn, then you can open it off, and this is going to be on the back. Okay, this is the one that you need to cover it off. Then when you cover, you go like this, you cover off like that. And then when you cover like this, I'm gonna show you how to, when you cover like that, make sure you fold this edge just a little tiny, a little line, okay, a little line. You have to fold both sides together, okay. You cannot just fold one side and you leave the other side. You have to fold together, so it will close the back like this. Okay, then you can use your two fingers to open the inside like this. Okay, when you open the inside, it's gonna be looking like the same one that I made earlier. Okay, and you hold this and you press it down, but you don't take in the middle. You take on the back. Okay, but take on the back, no. Okay, take it like that. Take it like that. And this is how you get one. Okay, and then you make a la, and you can make a flower. And you can make a flower. Okay, chỉ có một con đau đây nó, chỉ có một con đau lúc chỉ có một cái lọ of the flower nữa. Okay, if you don't have what I have, okay, you can use this one. You can use this kind of one that you can use it. Okay, because you know not. But if you don't want to use this one, you want to have this one, the colorful outsider, to be pretty. Then you can go buy the size large like this one. This is the size large. Okay, size này là size large. Okay, nếu mà small size không, size small nữa. Rồi size medium now. This is the medium size. Okay, this is a medium size. This is a bigger size, and they have a small one, the small one. It's just 1/2, but those we don't use it. We only use medium size or a large size. But usually I only use the bigger size. Okay, the bigger size you can fold it is prettier and look nicer. Okay, so the bigger size. One side here is smaller. One side here is only like probably like 2 fingers. Over here is like 2.5 finger out. You can see the line out here. So this side is gonna be the end. This side is gonna be on a sharp thing. Okay. And then this is how we fold. We don't fold like this. We don't fold this way. We fold this way. I fold this way. Okay. I put this white thing to connect over here. I do the same thing like I did like the other one. Okay, and then you fold this. Be sure you got 2 fingers, even for your 2 finger, or like you can make. See, you can see this is 2 finger here, and then you fold this one part here to connect to this line. Okay. Wow, con này nó là một đâu tao nó. Còn đây nào nữa. Okay. If you use this, make sure you don't put your finger on it. Press it down because you can have those gold thing in your finger like mine. See? But if you don't want to have that, you use something like a glue stick like this to press it down, so it will blend down nicely. And then you flip the other side. You flip the other side, and then you use the same thing too. You put this one over here to this line. Okay. Get one in all. Okay. Then you use the stick to press it down hard so it won't go down easier. Okay, and this is gonna be the bigger side, so we're not gonna fold this side. We're gonna fold the smaller side, and so you can see the little tiny that is turning red. You can see this is small. I don't fold the longer side. I only fold the little side, so you can see. You only see a little bit the red color right here to match. But so the bottom one here, we don't use it because this is too big. And when you fold it, you can see it's more bigger and it's wide. The color is gonna be too big. So, còn nói nhau khó của chị xí, khó khó là nó lo sao lợi. Thì của chị của khó bị mẹ bị nó nữa, khó bị nó nhau khó nên chịu mê sao. Okay, and I'm gonna put this top to be right here. Okay. You fold it like this. Nó nghe nó nè. Chỉ có của lên nó, cho sát vào nó nhé. Same thing like the other side. Okay. Then you use this to press it down. Like that. Press it down. And then you open. This is the front. This is the back. This is how the back look like. Okay. And then you're gonna fold the back towards to you, or you can fold this towards to over there to the other side. Cover it off the back like this. Okay. Cover it off like this. And then you use this one to press it down too. Same thing like the other side. And then you press it, and you turn on the back and turn and turn. Okay, and this is the sharp one is like this. This is gonna be towards to you. Okay, and then you're gonna fold this little 2 piece. You're gonna fold both 2 piece. This is the back. This is the back. When you cover it up like this, you're gonna do like this for a little tiny line like this. And make sure you put your little finger to press it hard. Press it down like this. You see the color is coming out because I press it too hard. And then you're gonna use your 2 fingers on the front. Open the big one. Then open it and you press it. So when you fold like this, you hold it and you hold on the back like this. You hold the back. Don't let it go. Okay, and you will tape it the same thing like the one I showed you earlier. Okay. We're gonna tape it the back like this so it won't open it when you use it. There we go. You got one. See? That's what you do. And when you got that, you can just make it like a flower, like whatever you want, how you want your flower to look like. Okay, how you want your flower to look like. Then you can just glue on the paper or the cardboard that you have. Okay, like the cardboard you have, like you want to make the flower whatever you like. Okay, this is how you do. Okay, okay, this is how you did it, and that's how you make your flower. And then when you get your flower all together, when you make a lot of this together, you get all your flower. Be sure you glue any piece on the cardboard when you make it, when you finish it, like this. Just like that. Like this. Then you can add more to be in here. As long as you know what you're doing, you can add more and more stuff. Okay, then you add all this on it. This is how you have your flower. And then you can put this on the middle like this. You can build your own flower like this. Okay, and you can glue this on the middle like this. So that's how you got your flower. So if you don't have this, you can use the one that I show you, like this one. But this one just have the gold, but they don't have the white part. They don't have the red part right here to make it prettier. So you can use this kind, or you can go buy this kind at the store. This a Chinese store or Hmong store, they might have it, but in your town, I don't know if you have it or not. Okay, nhau có lúc short bao giờ có mua là chỉ mua đấy chỉ mà nhau có mua chuyện gì nó cứ việc chuyện gì nó cho lộ qua cho mua hình này nhở. Ok, nhưng nó nữa, của một ấy lúc tôi đâu của tụi phải mày khi đi nó đâu có nữa, một ấy lúc lo tôi nữa.